Suspension was kind of tricky, kind of weird back here, but not sure half would make sense. I think this kind of made something up. But frame's upside down. So I can't hold on not tonight. I dropped the phone before even. These back pieces slide right in there. Not nuzzle them quite a bit. Had to cut that out. But where the other one would have been? Around here. Oh. Anyways, for the back here, they're awful short. They don't even meet the tires. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find something different or just glue them in. But, all right, tune in.